gonna take time, oh, precious time. It's gonna take.
And race 6 is underway with the Lively Dragons Blind Ambition in lane 1. Welland Taekwondo in lane 2. BP Sports in lane 3. And the RBC Golden Lions in lane 4.
And this time I know it's real. The feelings that I feel, I know if I put my mind to it, I know that I really could do it. But it's gonna take money, a whole lot of spending money. It's gonna take plenty of money to do it right, child. It's gonna take a time.
In lane 1, we have the Lively Dragons Blind Ambition. In lane 2, the Welland Taekwondo. In lane 3, the BP Sports. And in lane 4, the RBC Golden Lion.
That's his dad?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know his dad's
It's a dynasty, man. That whole entire family. They paddled here from China.
Taekwondo's coming back.
Oh yeah, they took it.
Welland took it.
And in lane 2, in first place. Lane 4 in second.
Good race, good race.
Lane 1 in 3.
It's mesmerizing, right? You want to just go?
It's like a perfect stop for an end of a race.
You're smart, you brought your PFD with you. Last time we were at Welland,
Low rider, drives a little slower. Low rider, he's a real goer.
The unofficial results of race number 6.